Haha! Today we're going to do a part 2 of the Air Conditioner World by Carrier Productions. So let's get in this backyard so we can see the condensers. And since it's part 2, you know, it's a good day to record. Hold on. Yep. Oh, wait a minute. There's air conditioners here. Okay. This is a cool man. Not running, and it's connected to this kind of Welch power box, and is a okay. Let me take a picture of it. Screenshot for a bit. Now let me take this. Okay, and we have a trampoline too. No. Oh, and the air conditioner turned off in my house. Now what is this interesting garage? We're gonna test that out. Okay, so we have this interesting garage. Okay, with no condenser. Okay, what if it's on the back? No, isn't. This lonely garage doesn't have a condenser. What about this house? Because I've seen this house. Okay, where was the air conditioner? Is it here? No, maybe in the backyard. Because I can't see the billboard very well, but let's go in here. Let's go out here, and there's even another room right there, but whatever. Oh, okay, there are the units. Right here we have what is this unit? Oh, it's a comfort maker, okay. So let me screenshot that. Boom. And finally this one. Boom. Okay, so now we need to make the top to screenshot. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna fill my phone. With all these under the RAM. Boom. And that's enough. Hold on, you can see. But if I see more units, I'll screenshot them and see what the heck they are. Hold on. It's too hard to see the number. Okay. Wait a minute. Hey, yo, what is that carrier unit? I knew it. There's gonna be a carrier, okay. Screenshot, boom. Okay, I think I'm probably gonna do these. Because I'm gonna fill my phone with these. Fill my storage space on my phone with these. But whatever, I'm not doing it. Okay, I don't know what the ton is, but it's a carrier. Tonnage. Oh, it's a 2-ton from 2019, and right here we have another lonely garage, which I don't expect this to be here. Hold on. Yep, there's those. Okay, now we're gonna check out this house. Oh my God, so many houses in this game. Okay, so let's try out. Okay, so let's go into the backyard. It's normal. It's a normal garage. Okay. It's a normal garage location. Let's go backyard. And right here we have a train. We have a train 3.5 ton from May 2015. Almost where my condenser is placed in my house, and it's a Train XR unit. Train XR. Okay, so we can do the top as well. And now for the final part. Wait, there's more out here now. Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, there's just a gate that you can go through. What about that house? That big house. Okay, so let's try out this house, but I'm also gonna make a part 3 because it's too long. No, it's 4 minutes. Okay, so let's check out. Wait a minute, it's there. Okay, so it's in the backyard, I'm expecting. So we can go into the backyard and then go to the AC unit that was here, and then you can. Oh wait, there are three. Is this public mention? There's York, a carrier, another carrier, but there's a energy. No, there's no energy, guys. The carrier, a York. It looks disgusting, by the way. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, but I'm gonna fill my phone. How? I'm gonna just use all my storage space on my phone to just okay, not yes, this one. Let's just fill my phone. Fill my phone with all these photos and answers and whatever. Okay, we can try out that. Wait, but there's an air conditioner over there. I can try what that thing is. What is that? That does not look like an air. It looks like an air conditioner to me, but why is it weird? Okay, now we can go to the AC unit that was here, and then you can see what it is, and then we can go to the. That's it. The air conditioner is there. Wait a minute. It's out here out of the backyard. Oh my! What the? This is so big. Never seen an air conditioner so big. No, in Roblox. Okay. Boom. We took it. It's gonna fill my phone with all these things. Carrier. Okay, another carrier. What? How? So many carriers at this house. Okay, this is 6 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do part 3.